ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय
महाकाय
कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा
सूर्यसमप्रभा
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
सर्वदा
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं
यारम्भं
करिष्यामि
करिष्यामि
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे
सिद्धिर्भवतु
सदा
मे सदा
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा
मा
गुरुर्विष्णुः
गुरुर्विष्णुः
गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः
गुरुमहेश्वरः
गुरुः साक्षात् परं
तत्परं
ब्रह्म
ब्रह्म
तस्मै श्रीगुरवे
श्रीगुरवे
नमः
नमः
वाक्यकारं
विकारं
वररुचिं
वररुचिं
भाष्यकारं
भाष्यकारं
पतञ्जलिं
पतञ्जलिं
पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च
सूत्रकारं च
प्रणतोऽस्मि
प्रणतोऽस्मि
हृदयं
हृदयं
पठामि
पठामि
संस्कृतं
संस्कृतं
नित्यं
नित्यं
वदामि संस्कृतं
कृतं
सदा
सदा
ध्यायामि
ध्यायामि
संस्कृतं
संस्कृतं
सम्यक्
सम्यक्
वन्दे
वन्दे
संस्कृतम्
संस्कृतमातरम्।
ह्यः एकम् ई-पत्रं दृष्टवती। कोऽपि सज्जनः मां लिखितवान्, किञ्चित् संस्कृतकक्ष्यातः सः मम नामं दृष्टवान्। हरिप्रिया ईयुणि इत्यस्ति किल मम ई-पत्रसङ्केतं, तद् दृष्ट्वा सः चिन्तितवान्, सः इदानीं 90-वर्षीयः इति मन्ये। 1956-57 तत् काले सः UPSC एग्जाम् लिखित्वा दिल्ली नगरे पार्लिमेंट मध्ये कार्यं कृतवान्। तदनन्तरं UN अपि गतवान्। तदनन्तरं अमेरिका देशे तस्य जीवनं यापितवान्। इदानीं सः बेङ्गळूरुनगरे एव अस्ति, किन्तु मम नाम दृष्ट्वा सः चिन्तितवान्, तस्य कोऽपि मित्रमासीत् तत् समये, तस्यापि ईयुण्णि इति नामधेयमस्ति। सः चिन्तितवान्, मम बान्धवाः कोऽपि ईयुण्णि इति कोऽपि तस्य मित्रम् इति चिन्तयित्वा सः मां लिखितवान्। तं भवती जानाति वा इति पृष्ट्वा, अहं तु मम बान्धवानां मध्ये तत् सन्देशं प्रेषितवती, किन्तु कोऽपि न जानन्ति सः कः इति। It happened yesterday. He sent a mail asking some Euni was some Narasimha, some name was there. So that person was colleague, Sahodyogi Asit, 1957 that time. So he was asking somebody from Kurnool district was my colleague with this surname Euni. So I want to meet him. Is it possible? We were very close and all those things. He said. I said, I'll inquire. When I asked my relatives, my father and my uncle, they said, no, we don't know anybody with that.
So if it is 57 means he should be very old.
Yeah, he must be around 90. Today I have to ask my grandfather. He can't hear, so I have to ask one of my aunts to help find out. So funny. Astu.
Friend is, matlab, why did he ask you?
Because of the last name.
Yes, because of the surname, he thought maybe he would be able to find out his friend. Can you see the screen? You have to do the only.
पठति
Hmm.
कर्मणि भावे परिवर्तनं
Hmm.
पठति पठते नो पठ्यते
Hmm.
पठ्यते
Hmm.
पठ्यते
Hmm.
लिखति
Hmm.
लिख्यते
Hmm.
नो
Hmm.
लिख्यते
Am.
ओके
Am.
क्रीडति क्रीड्यते
Hmm.
धावति धाव्यते
Hmm.
ओके धावयते और धाव्यते
Dhavyate.
धाव्यते
धाव्यते धाव्यते ओके
क्रीडते क्रीड्यते
Kridyate.
क्रीड्यते
Hmm.
लिख्यते पठ्यते निन्दति निन्द्यते
Hmm.
क्रीड्यते
खादति खाद्यते
खाद्यते
Hmm.
अटति अट्यते
खाद्यते
पचति पच्यते चरति चर्यते चर्वति व्हाट इज चर्व
Charvanam is chewing.
चर्वति
Hmm.
न्यू वर्ड
charati is grazing, right?
Grazing or moving, both them.
Okay. Okay.
Tambula charvanam, they say, no?
Mm.
Tambul.
Okay.
Tambulam, what do you call?
चर्वति चर्व्यते चर्व्यते ओके दशति दश्यते विश्यति विश्यते what is dasha is like
Dashati is biting. Snake bite. Snake bite.
vishati
Upavishati.
Vishati, enter. Entering also, right?
okay
Praveshati.
Yes.
Vishati.
prishyati sprishyate
Sprishyate.
nudati nudati what is nudati
Nudati is poking, something like that. That's what I remember.
nudyate
Hmm.
namati namyate
Hmm.
जीवति जिव्यते
Hmm.
जीवति
Jivati. Jivati. Jivyate.
Jivyate.
जीव्यते 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 ओके व्हाट इज जीवति लिव
Liz.
लिव जीव्यते
Hmm.
वदति वद्यते
Vadati udyate.
उद्यते
Now,
उद्यते
Hmm.
उक्तवान् ओके उद्यते
Hmm.
there is another word, right? Uktavati, Uktavan, and Uditavan, right?
That will be uchi.
rise
No. So same way here, Vadati is, what did you say?
Udyate.
Udyate.
Hmm.
अर्हति अर्हति अर्हते
Arhyate.
अर्हते ओके
Charvati.
वसति वसते वश्यते वश्यते स्नाति व्हाट इज स्नाति
Taking bath.
oh okay स्नाति स्नायते no
Snayate.
स्नायते
Snayate.
Snayate.
oh स्नायते oh ya is with akara
Yes.
okay स्नायते okay
Hmm.
नृत्यते नृत्यते
Nrutyate. Nrutyate.
नृत्यते okay
Hmm.
रोदिति is it roditi or rodati
Both are there.
Cry.
Roditi. No. Roditi is there. Rodati. Rudati. Roditi.
Rudati.
रोदिति रोदते रोद्यते रोद्यते
Hmm.
दोग्धि दोग्धि what is this
Doghi is milking the cow.
okay
Dugdam.
Ram doghi
okay.
payaha.
there is no t at the end
Dugdhi.
दोग्धि दोग्ध्ये
Dugdhyate.
दुग्ध्यते दुग्ध्यते lot of new words श्राम्यति श्राम्य what is श्राम्यति
Shrama, something related to Shrama, means maybe.
Hard working, right?
श्राम्यते
Hmm.
शक्नोति
Able.
शक्यते
Shakyate. Shakshyate.
Shakshyate.
Shak, what is it?
Shakshyate.
Shakshyate. Shakshyate. Okay.
Shakshyate.
Mm.
So, which sa, or sha?
Ksha.
Last one. Okay.
Ksha and ya. Kshya.
Shakshyate. Apnoti.
Shakshyate. Shakshya.
Apnoti. Apnyate.
This I have to find out. I don't remember actually. I'll find out and tell you.
Okay. Apnoti means what?
Apnoti is happens.
Pardon?
Apnoti meaning? Okay.
I'll tell you actually.
Siddhyati. Srijati. Srijyate. Swapiti. Swapyate.
Supyate.
Apnoti is obtain, praptam.
Praptam.
Obtain.
Oh, so say similar to prapnoti. Apnoti, prapnoti.
Okay. Swapiti is supyate.
Supyate.
Krinati is
Krinati will be
Kreniyate.
Krinite.
Krenite. Okay. I'll continue or someone else?
Atmane Parivartana.
Huh?
Ikshate. Ikshete.
Ikshyate.
Ikshyate.
Okay. So Ikshete is already in Atmanepadi, right?
Ikshayate.
But we are doing from
Karmani. That is correct. But that was in Prasmepadi, this was in Atmanepadi, right? Ikshyate.
Ikshyate.
Ikshayate.
Tvarate.
Tvarate.
Tvaryate.
Tvaryate.
Tvarayate or Tvaryate?
Tvaryate.
Tvaryate.
Tvaryate. Kampate. Kampete.
Kampyate.
Kampyate.
Kampyate. Okay. Yeah, typically comes. Okay.
Yachate.
Yachate.
Yachayate. Yachayate.
Yachyate.
Yachyate.
Yachyate. Kalpate. Kalpyate.
Kalpyate.
Langhate. Langjate.
What is lung?
Crossover.
Cross, yeah. Langyate.
Hanumana
Samudrolanghanam.
Yeah. You said.
Uhate. Uhyate.
Uhyate.
Uhya is like guessing, thinking kind of
Guessing,
thing.
yeah.
Okay.
Yudhyate.
Imagining.
Imagine.
Uhalu.
Udhyate.
Yudhyate. Yudhyate eva.
Yudhyate. Because there is already yeah. Yudhyate. It is fighting. Yudhyam.
Sobhate. Sobhyate.
Shobhate is Shobhate means becoming prosperous or becoming good.
Shining.
Shining, right?
Shobhate shining. Okay.
Not sure. Sobhate show off.
Shobhyate.
Shobhate will be Shubhyate.
Shubhyate. Okay.
Okay. Spardhate. Spardhyate. Sahate. Sahyate.
Spardhate is touching.
Compete.
Yeah. Last week we got it. Yeah, Spardhate.
Pratigachati. Pratigachati. These are again Parasmapadi, right? But looks like special ones.
This has the upasarga.
No, Pibati doesn't have upsarga, right?
Yes.
Yeah, pratigacchati.
Pratigacchati, pratigamyate. Pibati, piyate.
Piyate?
Piyate. Piyate.
Ya with akara, right? Piyate. Okay.
Piyate.
Piyate. Agachati is
Agamyati. Agamyate.
Upkaroti is kurute.
Upakrutyate. Upakrutyate?
No. Upakriyate.
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 Kriyapada.
Kriyate. Okay. Karoti is kriyate. Karoti is kriyate. Karoti is kriyate. Okay. Prayachati. Prayachati. Yachati is
Prayachyati. Prayachyate?
no.
Prayachyate.
It won't be simple because ma'am has given separately.
No.
Prayachyate?
Prayatyate.
Prayatyate.
I told you. Prayatyate. Okay. Tishtati sthayate.
Stiyate.
Stiyate. Sthatatu.
Stiyate. Stiyate.
Stiyate. Stiyate.
What is prayachati?
Try.
It means give. Prayachati means again.
Giving.
Okay.
Give.
Yachati. Yachati along with upra upasarga.
Okay.
But to enhance it, right? In this case, it
Yes.
is like adding.
Avagachati, avagamyate. Avajanati.
Janiyat.
Gyan, right?
Gyan.
Janate.
Avajñāyate.
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 Vijnanam. Vijñāyate, like that. Avajñāyate.
Janate.
Jñāyate.
Avajñāyate. Uttisthati. Usthyate. Utthiyate.
So I'm unable to write. He's saying so fast.
Tishtati is there, no? So you are adding upasargam.
Oh, okay. Tishtati was
Stiyate.
Stiyate.
Tiyate. This is utstiyate.
Sakaram will go. With some prakriya it will go. So utthiyate.
Adhisthati.
Adhitisthati.
Adhitisthati. So adhisthaya.
Adhisthiyate. Here it will Sakaram will stay here.
Sthiyate. So adhisthiyate.
See these three you remember very easily. Tishtati, uttishtati, adhitishtati. Tishtati is sthiyate. Uttishtati.
Uttiyate.
Adhitishtati will be
adhisthiyate.
So for tishtati, stiyate, right? Sa will become of stiyate.
Stiyate.
And the tha is with the ikaranta, not ikaranta, right? Harshva there.
Stish.
Oh, it's a dirgha?
Yes.
Sthiyate.
Uttiyate. Stiyate.
Yes.
Adhisthati.
Adhisthiyate.
Okay. I have a story. We'll do some karmani with that. You all know the story very well. Only you have to do
So the list which you just showed, please share that for us.
Definitely.
We'll do homework on that.
Definitely.
Yeah, I have to write it to avoid spelling mistakes. Convert the sentences to karmani and bhave prayog.
Karmani or bhave?
Yes, it's to karmani and bhave. Okay. Siha charma dharaha gardhavaha. Siha charma dharaha gardhava. So lion,
Gardabhaha ityukte
gardhavaha.
donkey.
Gardhava is jackal, right? Or wolf.
Donkey.
Donkey.
Oh, donkey.
Dabha.
Okay. Donkey with the lion's skin.
Yes. Simha charma dharaha gardabhaha.
Donkey wearing lion.
Ekah rajakaha
Okay,
asti.
but it's like us. Oh, this is the name of the story. Fine. Ekah rajakaha asti. Ekah rajaka asti. So rajaka is
Rajaka is washerman.
Vasha. Rajaka asti. So we'll read and then convert the sentence.
Yes,
That's what
yes,
we'll-
yes.
Okay.
You want to read the entire story first?
Okay, once we'll read then. एकः रजकः अस्ति सः एकं गर्दभं पालयति सः गर्दभाय अधिकम् आहारं न ददाति अतः गर्दभः तस्मै कुप्यति एकदा गर्दभस्य बुभुक्षा अधिकी भवति तदा सः दूरं गच्छति तत्र क्षेत्राणि दृष्ट्वा सः तुष्यति तत्र क्षेत्राणि दृष्ट्वा सः तुष्यति व्हाट इज तुष्यति
Happy. He feels happy.
आमां क्षेत्रे निर्भयम् अटन् सः एवं चिन्तयति यदि अहं सिंहस्य चर्मं धरामि तर्हि सर्वे अपि भीत्या धावन्ति एकः अपि मम समीपं न आगच्छन्ति इति एवं विचिन्त्य गर्दभः कुतश्चित् एकं सिंहचर्मम् आनयति गर्दभः कुतश्चित् ओके सिंहं चर्म आनयति फ्रॉम समवेयर ही गॉट इट सः तत् धरति प्रतिदिनं सः सानन्दं सस्यं खादति कृषकाः भित्त्या तस्य छायाम् अपि न स्पृशन्ति कृषकाः भित्त्या तस्य छायाम् अपि न स्पृशन्ति छाया इज शैडो राइट छाया
Bhitya. So with because of fear, right? Out of fear, they were not looking at.
Having feared, right? Bhitya is
Bhitya.
With fear.
Yeah.
Bhitya.
Bhiti.
Oh, chaturthi vibhakti?
Bhitya.
No, tritya vibhakti.
Ram Malaya.
तृतीय एकदा पूर्णिमायां गर्दभः महता हर्षेण उच्चैः रटति तदा एष मिथ्यासिंहः इति सर्वे जानन्ति कृषकाः तदा आगत्य तं मारयन्ति ओके सिंह चर्म धरः गर्दभः एकः रजकः अस्ति okay so asti will become
bhuyate
oh so we are just doing karmani right okay bhuyate तो एक रजकः रजकेण एकेन रजकेण भूयते Yeah, I'll continue or next.
Permission.
Permission. Okay.
सा एकं गर्दभं पालयति तेन एकः गर्दभः पाल्यते
पालयते
और पालयते ओके
la half
हाँ सरस्वती महोदय Your turn.
Okay, okay. Saha Gardabhaya adhikam aharam na dadati. Saha will become Tena. Tena Gardabhaya. Gardabhaya.
Gardabhaya will remain
Gardabhaya.
Gardabhaya.
Similar same.
Gardabhaya.
It will
Same
stay.
Yeah, for
Gardabhaya.
Gardabhaya. Gardabhaya.
Mm.
Adhikam aharam na dadati.
Aharaha.
Ahara. Oh, okay. Because
And
it's
adhikam
Ditya
also will become adhika.
Adhika.
Ahara.
Adhikaha aharaha na
Diyate.
diyate.
Tena Gardabhaya adhikaha aharaha na diyate.
So typically in Karmani, if I understand correct, Prathama becomes Tritya, Dvitya becomes Prathama, and Kartari Kriya becomes Karmani Kriya, and all other remain same.
Hmm.
Okay.
अतः गर्भः
Gardab.
तस्मै कुप्यति
Hmm.
अतः गर्दभ तस्मै कुप्यते. Tasmai.
okay. Rajakaha is tasmai, right?
Tasmai is Chaturthi.
Chaturthi.
Ataha will be ataha, no?
Yes.
Ataha gardhabam.
Gardabhena.
Tritya. Gardabha will become Tritya.
Oh, ataha gardabhena. Gardabhena. Tasmai kupyate.
So, is this does this become bhave prayoga? Because there is no karma pada here.
Yes.
Okay. Fine.
So what is the difference once again for Karmani and Bhave Prayoga?
See, they are same, just that in bhave the karma pada is missing.
Yes.
Okay.
Then we call it bhave. Because what happens? Because karma pada is not there, right? The karmani kriya always is ekvachanam pratham purus, always. Because you don't have karma which will convert and change it, kind of thing. Correct,
so that's the reason you said kupyate. Kupyate.
Ekada gardhapasya bubuksha adhiki bhavati. Okay. So ekada gardhapasya bubuksha. Bubuksha is
Bubhukshaya.
Bubuksha
That
is
will become Tritiya.
Okay. Bubukshaya adhiki bhuyate.
Samyak.
Adhiki bhuyate. So, okay.
So nothing will change, right? Ekada, nothing will change.
No, ekada is sometime. One day. So that is fine. And Gardhapasya is defining Bubuksha. So Gardhapasya will remain same. Bubuksha will become Bubukshaya. And Adhiki Bhuyate.
Adhiki Bhuyate.
This is also Bhave Prayoga, right?
Yes.
Tada sa duram gacchati. Dura means navasam or?
Duram napumsakam.
So, tada tena duram gamyate.
Duram gamyate.
Tatra kshetrani drishtva saha tushyati. Tatra kshetrani is again that is Prathama Vibhakti. Saha is the Prathama Vibhakti. So kshetrani will be the same. Kshetrani drishtva, having seen. Drishtva saha will become tena tushyate. Tushyate.
He's happy. Saying the fields.
So nothing else will change except that saha and the
Yes.
tushyate.
Very, actually, that if you understand, then it becomes very easy to do the conversion.
क्षेत्रे निर्भयम् अटन् सः एवं चिन्तयति यदि अहं सिंहस्य
do this much.
क्षेत्रे निर्भयम् अटन् तेन एवं चिन्तयति will be चिन्त्यते.
Yes.
चिन्त्यते. यदि अहं सिंहस्य चर्मं धरामि तर्हि सर्वे अपि भीत्या धावन्ति. So यदि.
So before that, like, क्षेत्रे निर्भयम atan. So this
Nirbhayam will be will not change. Atan becomes atata. That atata. That is Shatru Pulingam is there, no? So that we are not doing now.
Oh, okay.
So atata should come there. Don't worry about it. Go to the whatever topics you have to do. Only concentrate on those topics. Okay.
So यदि मया सिंहस्य चर्मं धरामि will be
यदि मया सिंहस्य चर्मः ध्रियते
तर्हि सर्वे अपि भीत्या धावन्ति will be धाव्यन्ते.
सर्वे will become
सर्वेण.
सर्वैः. This is सर्वैः is what the
तृतीया बहुवचनं.
सर्वैः अपि भीत्या
धाव्यते. धावन्ति. That will become धाव्यते.
Okay. यदि मया सिंहस्य चर्मः ध्रियते तर्हि सर्वैः अपि भीत्या धाव्यते.
So bhitya is matlab same.
Bhitya will not change.
Avayam, no. Avayam. Bhitya is avayam.
Okay.
With fear, no?
भीतिः अव्ययम् इति नास्ति किल.
तृतीया विभक्ति. भीतिशब्दः
भीत्या तृतीया.
Anil Mohoday, the Sarve Shabd, is there in Shabdamanjari?
Is there.
Okay. It is there in the Pravesha book also is there now.
Pravesha 12th book, I think. 12th or 11th book. You have all the...
In the Shabda Manjari, it is on 58, page 58.
11th.
Okay.
Yadi aham simhasya charmam dharami is there, right? For that, what is the word you said? Driyate.
Tarhi.
So, but aham is still aham only. Maya.
Maya simhasya charmaha dhriyate. See, leave
so
everything.
It doesn't have to match the Purusha?
See, yes, no. You leave everything else apart. Take only aham simhasya charmam dharami. Convert that. Then you can add the remaining.
Simhasya charmam. That is where driyate. Driyate is Pratama Purusha, right?
See here,
Yeah, because Charmaha is
Charmaha.
Prathama Purusha.
Okay. Charmaha is.
See, in Kartari what happens, Kriya Pada goes with the Prathama Vibhakti. In Karmani also, Kartari Kriya Pada should go with Prathama Vibhakti. But now the Prathama Vibhakti the Karma has changed to Prathama.
Okay. Yeah. Got it. I'm still far behind in doing my catching up with the work. I'm unable to catch up.
No assignments nowadays, right? No homework, right?
But for that, my work is taking over. So
Homework, all you must have been over, right? Then.
and I'm still in doing 47th video or 48th video.
Oh, okay. Video you
So
are.
I'm behind. Yeah, behind. Very, very much behind.
So, ekah api mama samipam na agachanti iti. Ekah api mama samipam na agachanti. Ekah api. Oh, no one else.
No one will
okay.
Come near me.
Agachanti.
T.
No. Agachanti is still Vartaman Kala, right? No one
will come. It's okay. Agamishyanti should be there. But
okay.
Ekena.
I'm just reading it.
Agachanti or agachati? Ekah.
Ekah api mama samipam na agachati should be.
Agachati.
Okay, so if it is an agamishyati, then how do we convert it into karmani?
That we have not done. I don't know whether it is there for you or not.
Okay, fine. We'll then convert agachanti only. Agachati.
Agachati.
Ekena api aham
mama samipam.
Mama samipaha.
Samipam.
Samipam is Napunsaklinga? Okay. Ekena
agamyate
api mama samipam na agamyate. Agamyate. Ekena api mama samipam na agamyate. Iti.
एवं विचिन्त्य गर्दभः कुतश्चित् एकं सिंहचर्मम् आनयति एवं विचिन्त्य गर्दभेन कुतश्चित् एकः चर्मम् इस् नपुंसकं चर्मः एकः सिंहचर्मः आनीयते
सः तत् धरति.
Anayati will become aniyate.
Aniyate. Yes.
Aniyate. Ni is a
Ni dhatu.
Dirgham.
Ni dhatu. Ni. Niyate.
Ni nayate. Ni dhatu. Ni nayate is there. No? Aniyate. That will become aniyate.
Sah tat dharati. Tena tat. If it is Prathama Vibhakti only.
That is tam.
Dhriyate.
Tat only should become.
Yes, tat.
Because it has.
No, Napunsakalinga is that only. Correct.
Tat dharati. Dharati dhriyate. Dhriyate.
Pratidinam saha sanandam sasyam khadati. Pratidinam tena sanandam sasyam khadyate.
There is not much change here. Saha only. Tena will come.
Because Sasyam is an Apumsakalingam, so we are just keeping it like that.
Sasyam is Napunsakalinga, right?
Yeah, that's the reason.
Sanandam is Avyam?
Anandam.
Ananda. With Ananda.
So will it become Anandena?
Anandena comes actually, but here they have used, in that story they have used like this.
Okay.
Okay. कृषकाः भित्त्या तस्य छायाम् अपि न स्पृशन्ति. Okay. कृषकाः भित्त्याः कृषकाः. Will that change? तस्य
कृषकः तस्य छायाम् अपि न स्पृशन्ति. You leave this कृषकाः छायां न स्पृशन्ति. Only take that much.
Okay.
Then you can add
कृषकैः
कृषकैः छाया न स्पृश्यते.
स्पृश्यते. छाया न
स्पृश्यते. तो कृषकैः भित्त्या तस्य छाया अपि न स्पृश्यते.
एकदा पूर्णिमायां गर्दभः महदा हर्षेण उच्चैः रडति. एकदा पूर्णिमायां गर्दभेन महदा हर्षेण उच्चैः रड्यते.
Yes, रट्यते.
तदा एषः मिथ्यासिंहः. मिथ्यासिंहः means false. Mithya is false. मिथ्यासिंहः इति सर्वे जानन्ति. एषः एतेन मिथ्यासिंहेन
That will remain the same, I think.
Because of the quotes, it should remain the same, right?
Jananti, you have to change.
Yeah.
No. You can change that also. Etena मिथ्यासिंहेन भूयते.
इति सर्वे.
एषः मिथ्यासिंहः अस्ति. अस्ति is अभ्याहारं here. So
भूयते. एतेन सिंहेन मिथ्यासिंहेन भूयते इति सर्वे will become sarvah, right? सर्वैः, because that is सर्वैः ज्ञायते. ज्ञायते. जानन्ति ज्ञायते. So ज्ञायते is again singular, but here it is because of the simha. Sarve.
No kriya pada. It is a bhave prayoga. No karma pada. It is a bhave prayoga.
Oh, there is no word. Okay. Jnayate. We have to see for that, right? Every time.
That's why you must always do both together. Karmani and bhave. Then you will.
Yeah.
कृषकाः तदा आगत्य तं मारयन्ति. कृषकैः तदा आगत्य सः मार्यते.
Okay.
This was a good exercise. Ata eva. Oh, we missed this.
Oh, I too didn't remember this actually.
Ata. It will be ata or ataha.
Ataha eva.
Ataha eva vadanti. Mithya. Okay. Ataha eva vadanti. That will remain same.
That will also vadanti will change.
Udyate. उच्यते और उच्यते. अतः एव उच्यते. मिथ्या रूपं प्रदर्श्य यदि कोऽपि वञ्चयति तर्हि तादृशस्य गतिः एवमेव भवति. ओके. मिथ्यारूपं प्रदर्श्य. This is lep pratyay.
That will not change. It will stay the same.
Okay. मिथ्यारूपं प्रदर्श्य यदि.
That also will be same.
Kenapi it will come.
Kopi, yes. Kopi becomes kenapi.
केनपि वञ्चते. केनपि वञ्चते. तर्हि
केनापि
केनापि वञ्चते. तर्हि तादृशस्य गति became गत्याः. गतया और गत्या.
Gatihi is ikaranta strilinga shabdah, like mati shabdah.
Okay. Gatya evameva bhuyate. I'll read once. Ataha eva uchyate.
Uchyande.
No, uchyate bhava prayoga, right?
Uchyate.
Uchyande.
No, uchyate eva. Bhave prayoge.
उच्यते. मिथ्यारूपं प्रदर्श्य यदि केनापि वञ्च्यते तर्हि तादृशस्य गत्य एवमेव भूयते.
Now I have subhashitas, but of course it is just for reading, and I found them very nice while I was searching for something. I found these two subhashitas. So, this is Bhartrihari's Niti Shatakam.
भिक्षाशनं तदपि नीरसमेकवारं. नीरसम् एकवारं. सय्या च भूः परिजनः निजदेहमात्रं. वस्त्रं विशीर्णशतखण्डमयी च कन्था. आहा तथापि विषया न परित्यजन्ति. भिक्षाशनम. What is bhiksha? Bhiksha plus asanam?
Ashanam is food.
Oh,
Ahara.
Ashanam is food.
Asan is food. Okay. Bhikshashanam tadapi nirasam ekavaram. Tadapi.
Tad plus api. Tat plus api. Tadapi.
Tat plus api. Tat is for what? Tat. Bhikshashanam. Okay, that food also nirasam ekavaram, without taste. Ekvaram, one day, someday.
One time, right?
One time.
Ekavaram. One time. Ekavaram is one time.
So what does it mean? One time, even the food of
Nirasa
is tasteless.
It may Bhikshashanam also may become tasteless once.
So what is Bhikshashanam? Food of
what you get from alms, baking.
Okay.
By baking.
So okay, that also may become one time without taste. Okay, Sayacha Buhu Parijanaha Nijadeha Matram. Saya is bed. Cha and bed Buhu. What is Buhu? Earth. Okay. Buhu bed.
Maybe you may not have bed. You may not have bedspreads or cot or anything.
Okay, so
Earth
only is your bed.
Yes, Bhumi is your bed.
Parijanaha. Parijanaha is relatives.
Parijanaha.
Parijanaha.
Jano, right?
Nijadeha
Jana.
matra. Parijanaha.
Parijanaha.
Parityajanti is there, no? So, Parityajandi is a Bahuvajanam. So Parijanaha should be.
No, here it is Parijanaha eva. Sevakaha iti arthaha.
Nija deha matram. Your own body.
See, you won't have any servants. Your own body is your Parijanaha.
Okay.
Hmm.
Parijanaha is relative, right?
Sevaka Janaha. Sevaka.
Sevaka.
Servants.
Oh, okay. So there are two things in this. Saya cha bhuhu. So Saya is your earth. And your body itself is Parijana. That's how he is trying to say. Okay.
So the cha is used with what? Saya is one word. What is the other word that Saya is bed and what?
No. Cha has come in between. It should be after
at
that.
the end. Yeah.
Shaya bhu cha, like that.
Okay.
Maybe for the sake of chandas. For the sake of chandas, they have.
It is like Saya is bhuhu and Parijana Nija deha matram is Parijana. Okay. Vastram Vishirna Shatakhandamayi cha Kantha. What is Vishirna Shatakhanda? Shatakhandamayi is 100 pieces. Vishirna, what is Vishirna?
Vishirna is torn.
Okay.
What? Told? Told?
T-O-R-N.
Torn.
So cloths are torn in 100 pieces. Cha Kantha. What is Kantha?
Kantha is cloth only. They are stressing Vastram Vishirna Shatakhandamayi cha Kantha. It has become hundreds of pieces.
Cloths which is torn in 100 pieces is your cloth only.
So in Tamil there is one word. Kandai means old cloth. It's almost worn out. With all holes and everything. That kind of a thing. Where you have worn it like 100 or 1,000 times. That kind of a. So that is Kantha.
Aha tathapi vishaya na parityajanti. Aha, even after that, tathapi, even after that, he is not able to leave the vishaya. Vishaya is desires.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, sometime he will get tasteless food. His earth is his bed. His body is his own servant. His clothes are all torn. But even after all those things, he is not able to leave his desires. Oh, cool. Good.
And,
but only those people will have a lot of desires, right? Because they want to grow better.
This also I found very nice. So I thought I should share with you.
Okay.
One else want to try?
Next is Parameshwaran Mahodaya.
He will anyway do good, right? We should try.
Okay.
We should not give him a chance.
Ayurvarsha Shadam Nranam Parimidam Radro Tadardham Gadam Tasyardasya Parasya Ardhamaparam Balat Pravardatayoho Tesham Vyadi Viyoga Dukka Sahidam Sevadibirniyade Jive Varitaranga Chanjalatade Saukyam Kuda Praninam Saukyam Kudaha Ayur Varsasadam Nranam Parimidam Rato Tadartam Gadam.
You stop at Parimitam. Ayuhu Varshashatam Nranam Parimitam.
That means 100 years. Nranam means what?
Humans.
Human nature.
What is Nrinanam?
Rinam is
Manushya. Manushya.
Manushya.
Oh,
Nrinam.
no, Manushya.
Nru Shabda.
Tadardham Gadaha. Even 100 years, Nunam Ayur Ashtashatam Parimidam. 100 years only. Parimidam means only, no?
It is limited. Human life is limited to 100 years. Ayuhu Varshashatam. You make it as Nrinam Ayuhu Varshashatam Parimitam.
Okay. Ratro Tadardham Gadam. Ratro in the night. The Gadam means half midnight. Midnight.
Half of this Ayuhu, this 100 years of life, half of it is lost in
Sleeping.
Sleeping.
Okay.
Ratro Tadardham Gadam.
Tad ardham. Okay.
Tat plus ardham, right?
Yes.
Tat ardham ratro gatam. Okay.
Tasya Ardhasya Parasya.
Ratro is Saptami Vibhakti?
Ratri.
Ratri Shabda.
Ratri.
Bala Pravartadyoho. Tasya Ardhasya Parasya cha Adharma Param Bala
Not Adharma. Ardham Aparam.
Ardham Aparam Balat Vruddhatyoho. Half is spent in childhood and another half is
No. Tasya Ardhasya. One half is lost
one
in
half of
sleep.
that.
Okay.
One half of that is
Another
half of
half
that
is there. Tasya Ardhasya Parasya cha Ardham Aparam Balatva Vruddhatvayoho. In that half is lost in Balatva and Vruddhatva.
Balatam and Vruddhatvam.
What is Parasya here? Tasya Ardhasya
Tasya Parasya, the next half.
Okay.
Half of Ardha Aparam Balatvam Vruddhatyoho. Balam, I think childhood and
Old age.
So half is spent in childhood and another half is spent in old age. Tesham Vyadi Viyoga Dukkha Sahidam Shevadi Bihir Niyade. That in that Vyadi Viyoga Dukkha Sahidam. That is lost in Vyadi Viyogam and Dukkam. Sevadi Niyade. Means
Vyadhi Viyoga Dukkham, then Sevadibihi. They occupy a lot of time.
Pardon, they?
Vyadhihi Viyoga Dukkham, separation. So if somebody is separated from us, we become very unhappy or we sad, and we feel for them, isn't it? For that separation. So what happens? Vyadhihi Viyoga Dukkha Sahitam Sevadibihi.
so taken by all this.
These things take away.
Take away some of our time.
Yes.
Take away is
So
niyati.
Vyadhi is not disease?
Yes. Vyadhi will take some
Time.
of that time is lost in disease. Some of that time is lost in Viyoga Dukkham. Seva.
What is Sevadibihi here?
Sevadibihi. Sevadibihi, serving others or pleasing others actually. More than
Tritiya
serving.
Vibhakti, right? Tritiya Vibhakti, Seva.
No, Sevadibihi, right? So it should be Chaturthi Bahuvachana.
Yeah, Sevadibihi Niyate.
Sevadibihi Niyate.
Niyate.
So towards Seva, it's like in doing Seva, right? Towards Seva.
By Seva, that is Sadurti. I mean, Tritiya.
Tritiya only. Sevaya.
Chaturthi will be
Tritya
Yeah.
Bahuvachanam.
Tritya. Correct.
Niyate.
Okay.
Because niyate is
Niyate, that will take over, take away our time.
is taken away by this all this
Yes. All these things.
Adi yoga dukkha seva.
So
Jive
50% in Nidra, 50 in the 50%, 25% are the 50% is going for Bala, then 50 is for Vriddha.
No,
Is that?
the 25% is gone with Balatva Vruddhatvayo.
So okay, so we are still having 25%
Yes.
now. In that 25%, we are going through a lot of disease, dukkham and everything.
And serving others and all those things
Serving
take away a lot of time.
So balatva vriddhatvayoho. So this is like saptami dvivachanam, right?
correct.
Tvayoho. Okay. Saptami dvivachanam.
Balatva vruddhatayoho ardhasya parasya.
Param.
Parasya param balasya vruddhatayoho.
Shashti. It is Shashti actually.
Shashti.
Tasya tayoho. Balatva Vruddhatvayoho.
How is it Shashti? Tasya?
Balatva Vruddhatvasya Balatva Vruddhatvayoho.
Tesham is Shashti. Bahuvachanam. Pullinga Shabdasya.
Tesham means what is the remaining time? In that time.
Of that.
Taken away by all these things. Niyade is again karmani prayoga. So sevadevi niyade. Jive vari taranga chanchala tare saukyam puda praninam. In the life, in the midst of this vari tarangam is waves. Chanchala.
Vari is
water, right?
Water.
Waves and this samudra. In this jiva samudra, saukyam kudaha. Where is the happiness for praninam? Praninam saukyam kudaha. Where is happiness for all of us in this jiva?
In this Vari Taranga Chanchalatare.
Very good.
In this chanchala is disturbed.
Yeah, in this Vari, Taranga, Chanchala, all these are happening in our life. Waves are there, Tarangam and waves are there. Vari, Jalam. Chanchalam means disturbance.
Chanchala tare. What is tare?
Tare means
Tarap Pratyaha. Tarap Tamap iti. Comparatively.
Saukyam kuta. From where do we get the peace, the happiness? Okay.
Can you fully say everything once from the beginning?
Ayuhu Varshashatam Nrinam Parimitam.
Tadaha Artham, Tat Artham, Yatro Gadam. Tasya Ardhasya Parasya Ardham Aparam Balatvam Vruddhatayoho. Tesham Vyadi Dukkha Vadi Viyoga Dukkha Sahidam Sevadibhi Niyade. Jive Vari Taranga Chanchala Tare Praninam Saukyam Kudaha.
Basically, it means in the 100 years of human life, half is gone in night, remaining half.
In that half, remaining half's half.
Of that half, of the remaining half, Ardham Param, half is of childhood and oldness. Half is of childhood and oldness. That's why it is Shashti. Correct. Tesham. Tesham is Saptami, right? In that.
That is
Tesham is
remaining.
Shashti. Shashti
Shashti
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Okay. Sorry.
Tasya
remaining one
tayoho
year.
tesham.
Tesham Vyadi Vyoga Dukha Sahita. Of that, a disease, sadness, department, all those things. Seva Dhipi.
Service or anything. Work. Whatever we do.
Are given in this, in serving the disease and sadness and all those things. Okay. So, the half was
That
given
one
in
is-
oldness and half
That
was
is
given in
Tritya
childhood
Vibhakti,
and
right?
oldness, and the remaining half is given in disease and sadness and other things. That's what he's trying to say.
Right.
Okay.
50 goes for bedtime, Ratri. 25 goes for
Childhood and oldness.
old age. Then 25 for disease and everything else. Finished 100%.
Okay. So Jiva Varitaranga, in this ocean wave, in this ocean
Of life.
life ocean,
Ocean of life.
Ocean of life, all these disturbing waves, with the disturbing waves, then where is the happiness? Okay.
Happiness. Okay. Astu. I think we will stop here today. I don't have anything else to do actually. According to the video, we have to go, but they have done only that 12th book, something they have done.
Yeah,
There
they
was
have done the
nothing
question
to,
paper actually. That's all.
yes, there was no new topic.
Anil Mahoday, did you watch 51
No,
video?
51 is yet to be watched. 50 I have watched.
Okay.
We are supposed to watch 50 before this session, right?
Okay. Yeah.
I'm not going ahead. I'm going with you guys only.
Just checking. Somewhere I thought you said 51, so that was in my mind.
No. The one interesting thing in that 50th video was they talked about these 5 fingers. That was one interesting thing. So,
What was that?
They talked about this is Kanishthika, Anamika, Madhyama, then Tarjani, and then
Angushta.
Okay. What else was there in that video?
And they taught about this something special about Saptami. They said there is something called Sati Saptami.
Sati Saptami.
So what exactly is that, Sati Saptami?
Sati Saptami, I'll check and I'll come with exercises.
That is one usage actually.
Okay, fine. Next time ma'am will come with something.
But that will come to next. Sapti Prayogam will be there at the next level, I think.
But he mentioned there because there was some sentence there.
Yeah, it might be there, but I'll come with exercise if you want. If it is not there for the exam, then we will not worry.
Rame Vane Gede Dasarada Murtaha, something like that was there. When Rama went to the forest, Dasarada died. Rame Vane Gede Dasaradaha
Gate Sati, it will be there.
Sati will be there. Vane Gede Sati.
What does Sati mean?
That is Sati is one word that I use for that. That is Sati Saptami.
Sati Savitri.
No, that's Sati is
Sati is not used in brackets, but it is. Yada Tada, that means instead of that, they use Sati Saptami. Yada Ramaha Vanam Gadavan Tada Dasaradaha Mrudaha. For that, Rame Vane Gede Dasarada Mruda, something they use. So that is interchangeable like that.
Anil Mahoday, can you say the fingers again? Angushta, Tarjani,
Madhyama, Anamika, and
Kanishthika.
I'll send a video. I made a video with kids in this building some time ago. I'll send that bit. They have said I'll send it today. Watch.
And one more challenging thing was that the model paper which they were solving, they had asked lot of questions about these Mahabharata, Upanishad, and all those things.
That is Puranas, 18 Puranas.
So we are expected to remember all those things as well.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
That is not very, much difficult, no? I think that is nothing wrong with Sanskrit.
I'll make a list and we can do it in the next class.
I just kind of went through the model question paper in 12th chapter, and I was trying to put marks for everything, okay, where it is fitting. And for that Puranam, it is 2 marks. So if I cannot remember, I was just going by memory, okay, how much I can remember. Okay, I cannot remember this. The main part is on the grammar. Okay, and then riddles, I think it comes to 4 marks or 4 marks only, and shlokam also. Riddles has more marks than the shlokam.
Subhashitam were also there.
Yeah, Subhashitam and
but a lot of question answers were based on the Subhashitams also.
yeah.
So
Subhashitams you have to memorize. If you don't memorize the other things, that is fine. That is what I thought, because we have to answer the question.
If you want to discuss any particular topic, whatever has been covered till now, if you message a bit early, I can search for more material apart from your Pravesha book, and we can practice in the class.
Madam, is there a question paper for these people in online? No, very model question paper. We can do it.
Yeah, 1 or 2 model question papers we will do.
Okay, we will.
All the previous years question papers are there in that drive only.
Okay.
And especially how to remember that Subhashitams and then answer that questions correctly.
Okay.
But Subhashitam you have to answer in English only, no?
Yeah.
No, there are some questions for which you have to know the Subhashitams correct and you have to answer in Sanskrit.
In Sanskrit? Okay.
Yeah. So there are 2 things. One is Subhashitam is given, you need to write a substance on that. And another
in Sanskrit, or Sanskrit or English?
Substance is in English. Substance is in English. And then there are questions based on the Subhashitam that you have to answer in Sanskrit.
No, but there are some stories, and for example, the usage, I think they are also written. See, some usage. For us, Tridiya, for us, there is Kena, some question they asked. I saw that. Means the usage of Tridiya Vibhakti, and for that they have asked some question. Kavina, Asya, Modade, something like that. So some questions were there. So that is the usage of Bhakti. So that also you may have remember. Some questions were there.
Otherwise, you people do one thing. You take 1 question paper, start answering. So wherever you have difficulty, such topics we will do in the class. Instead of discussing an entire question paper, it's better to concentrate on whatever topic you have difficulty. I don't think you people have any difficulty, only, if at all.
Ma'am has too high expectations from us, okay?
I'm so happy.
So will you be teaching us the next level too?
I don't know. Actually, I have registered for a PhD in Pune.
In Sanskrit?
Yeah. So I don't know the classes, timings and all those things. Everything is online only.
Okay.
So that is correspondence PhD?
Online, because all the other places I have to be there for 6 months. So it's not possible for me. So one of my friends suggested go for this. It's excellent. And their course material is also quite different. So I thought I should try